So you can write like it's saying that I equal to k or j equal to l, means either I will be equal to k or j will be equal to l. Okay, so either this will be satisfy or this will satisfy, and both I, j, k, l are greater than equal to 1. Okay, so you can write it as ai. So in you can assume I and j, you can assume I, j as n, I equal to j equal to n, and j equal to l equal to m. Okay, so in this way you can write what I will do. So either this will satisfy or this will satisfy because it is OR. So this language is like a to the power n. In place of I, k, I am writing n. Either this will satisfy, it's a to the power I, then b to the power m, c to the power k, then d to the power m. So it's like union of two language. First is saying either I or k should be equal, either I or k should be equal, or j or l should be equal. It's or. Okay, either this condition will satisfy or this condition will satisfy. And you know that both I, j, k, l, m, I, j, k, l is greater than equal to 1. So n and m is also greater than equal to 1. Okay, so now one way I will draw this for this push down automata, and another side I will draw for this. Okay, for this language. So this L1 is this L is a union of L1 union L2. Okay, so one side I will draw such that number of A should be equal to C. Okay, one side such that number of A should be equal to C. So what I will do here, I am drawing this one, A to the power n, B to the power j, C to the power n, and D to the power l. So njl is greater than equal to 1. A z replace with z a. Okay, so because here you have to store a because this should be equal. Then again, if you are getting a, store it and push on the stack a, then top of the stack is a, replace it with a. Again, this was the first a, then second a you got, then again replace third a, again replace 4a, any number of a, then you will get b, then you will get b, you will get b. Now when you will get b, the top of the stack will be a, but since you are not going to use, you are not going to do pop a because it's like a to the power n b plus c to the power n dl. Okay, it's like dl. So in between any number of b can come, but number of a and number of c should be equal. After that, any number of d will come. So after b, if a is, you are getting a, you have to, what you have to do, tell me. After b, if you are getting a, because when you will get a, there should be at least one a. What you will do in this stack, please tell me. See, जब b को a मिलेगा तो epsilon क्यों? You are not going to compare that number of b should be equal to a. You are just going to see number of c should be equal to number of a. So when b will come and then the top of the stack will be a, you will replace a with a only because here no comparison. Means again, if you are having any number of b, top of the stack will have a, replace with a. Okay. Now you will get c. Now you will get c. When you will get c, top of the stack will be having a because that number should be equal. If you are giving a correct input, then when you will get c, the stack will definitely have a. You have to just pop it. So again, if you are getting c, any number of c, then the stack will have a, pop. Okay, then you will get d. Then you will get d. Yeah, correct. Then you will get d. Top of the stack will have. Tell me when you will get d, what are you going to have in the top of the stack? बताइए. जब d आएगा तो top of the stack में क्या होगा? When you will get d, what you are going to get in the top of the stack? So top of the stack will have j because I have inserted a. Inserted a means I have pushed a for whatever number of a I got. Then I got b. Then top of the stack was having a. I have just replaced with a because for this I don't need to do anything. Okay. Then c will come, then the stack will have a because for b I have not inserted b. I popped for whatever number of c I got, I replaced A. So for C, I replaced all A. Whatever number of, because that number, that the power is same, it means same number you have got. Then you got D. So when you are getting D, you will get the stack start symbol. Stack start symbol is J. You will replace with that only, and you will accept it. And after that, if you are again getting any number of this, then replace Z with Z, and by only getting epsilon, when a string will get replaced with Z, you accept it. Am I clear? So this side I have drawn this, and this side I will draw for A to the power I, B to the power M, C to the power K. So I am not having space. See, because why I am neglecting B and D? Because here it is not saying just that number of B and D should be equal. Okay, ऐसा कुछ नहीं कर रहा है. So next we have to do A to the power I, B to the power M, C to the power K, D to the power M. So here number of B should be equal to D. Now here if you are getting A, you have to, what you have to do, the top of the stack will have J. Since here number of B should be equal to number of D, when you are getting A, you don't need to push A. It is not required to push A, because here we require to compare number of B should be equal to D. This is not required to insert. So when you are getting A, replace Z with Z. Again, if you are getting A, the stack will have Z only because you have not inserted. So for any number of A, just replace the top with that symbol only. Then if you are getting B, then stack will have Z, replace Z with Z, B, means you have inserted B. Again, if you are getting B, any number of B, the stack will have B, replace it with BB. Okay. Now you will get, after B you will get C. Now C, when you will get C, you will get B on the top of the stack, replace B with B, because this is not required. You are not going to do comparison with A with anything, that C with anything. It is not saying that number of C should be equal to something. Okay. So C, B, B, C on getting B, replace by B. So C on getting B, I replace with B only. Then again if you are getting C, the top will be B only, replace with B only. Okay, C getting B, replace with B only. So now you will get D. Now when you will get D, you will have in the top of the stack B, pop B. Again you will get D. This is for, okay. Now you will get all D will get popped. Sorry, all B will get popped for B. So now you got D done. Then you will get epsilon Z replaced by Z. And because of this transition, A on getting Z, it is going to more than one states. That's why it is a non-deterministic. For that you will not able to give a deterministic one. That's why it's a non-deterministic. See, Q0 on getting A, top of the stack Z, it's going to Q1 also, and here it's going to this state also. Let me give the name. It's Q5. Okay, you can give any name. Please let me know whether it is clear or not.